In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Squarespace and support.squarespace.com. We'll walk through exactly how to get from the Squarespace website to a specific Help Center article that shows you how to reduce your page size for faster loading. This is perfect if your site feels a bit sluggish, or you're planning a new build and want to start with performance in mind. I'll keep the directions simple and add helpful context so you know why each click matters. Start by going to the Create Your Website page on Squarespace. This is the main starting point for building a site on their platform, and it's a reliable, up-to-date doorway into everything Squarespace offers. You don't need to log in to follow along, and any modern browser will work. If you already have a site, that's fine. This page is still a convenient launchpad. Open it in a clean tab so you can easily move back and forth between your site and support resources as you explore. From there, look for the Help Center link. Depending on your screen size, you'll usually find it in the top navigation or in the footer of the page. Clicking Help Center takes you to Squarespace's support site, where you can search articles, guides, and troubleshooting steps. It's designed to be straightforward, with clear categories and a prominent search bar, so you can quickly find answers without digging through menus. In the Help Center, click into the search bar and type the phrase, "Reducing your page size for faster loading." Use that wording so you land on the exact resource we want. You may see suggestions appear as you type. If the full article title shows up, select it, or simply press Enter to run the search. If other topics pop up first, scan the results to find the precise title. Accuracy matters here because performance content can span multiple articles. Now, click the article titled Reducing Your Page Size for Faster Loading. Inside, you'll find practical guidance on how page weight affects speed and user experience. The article typically covers image optimization, the impact of videos and large files, and ways to streamline content so pages load quickly without losing quality. You'll also get clarity on common culprits, oversized media, excessive custom code, and too many heavy elements on a single page, along with actionable best practices you can follow as you edit your site. Take your time to read it closely, bookmark it for reference, and share it with teammates if you collaborate on content. That's it. You've successfully navigated from Squarespace's start page to the exact Help Center resource that helps you make your site faster and lighter.